Dotties! I'm Mini and we are doing a bit of a dress up today, as you probably can see, but I hope that you will like it and I'm sorry for the woods, So in the previous video I chose this envelope, which was all jeans, if you remember. This is the photo if I still have it. So today we're going to choose from, well, different envelopes, of course. Now I have this 7 envelopes that I will choose from. Let's choose. I choose this. Okay, it's lace. I will still put the photo here so you can actually see it. I found this skirt. As you can see, it's lace right here, so I thought that I will just use it. You can see polka dot like under the lace. So yeah, this is the first item. It's pink lace. It's very pretty lace and it has this little thing right here. So I've decided to put this on like this. And now I think about some jeans, maybe because I am only in skirt, so we should put on some jeans. I choose this. And this is my mom's, as you probably already know. It's a bit messy, but I kind of look a bit messy today, so it's fine. It's actually kind of cute. I have a mirror right here, so I can see myself. Actually, I was looking similar on my Instagram. This is the photo, so yes. So maybe let's go to the next outfit. I was actually thinking that maybe we should add another category so it would be more interesting. Okay, we have silver as a category. So I have this skirt of mine. It has lace here. So I thought that maybe I can use this one. I will probably use this. And since we are going silver, I would go silver, because as you can see, this sweater is very silver. I have already the outfit on, kind of. I thought about using this belt. I put on the jeans. Okay, so maybe I will kind of dress up like this. I know that this is very questioning choice because it doesn't seem to kind of fit with anything, but I thought that maybe it would kind of, you know, bring out the colors of this outfit, which is silver. I mean, it's not a lot, but you know, it's something. For example, I could, you know, get this bag and kind of, you know, I mean, I think that it's kind of, you know, like silver and red is kind of good combination. But I was thinking about my favorite silver skirt, so maybe we will choose her. So this is the girl I'm talking about. But at the same time, I feel like the last outfit can be more silvery. I genuinely think that I vibe the most with the last outfit. You can tell me what do you think, of course. These are the outfits that I wore today. They are not very creative. They're a bit messy and a bit lazy, I know. I hope that I will change that in the future when everything will be a bit more, well, it will be less complicated, maybe like that, because I am finishing school soon. So I hope that you enjoy today's quick video, and that's it. You can tell me which outfit you'd like the most. Personally, I would choose this one because I love the tights. Obviously, I love the tights. I love loving you, Dottie, and see you next time.